welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spell sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Do you have those fragrances where when it gets hot, 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 you don't even have to think about it? You're bringing it out. You're wearing it, you're enjoying it, because these are some no-brainers, fragrances that I love to get into when it is hot weather, and I think that they smell so good. So here are some of my recommendations. First up, I have a fresh aquatic fragrance with a salt note. I love this down, and it has what? Pear, of course. So this is Ocean de Goya from Giorgio Armani. This is not new to my channel. I love this down. You can see the dent in this. Anytime it becomes hot and it's just heat, this just gives me that fresh experience that I love and enjoy. And with that pear, that salt note, the florals in this, it just brings it out. And also the aquatic feel it brings. This is just match made in heaven for me. I love this down. I don't know if you all have this in your collection, but this is such a gem in my collection. It's an oldie, but certainly a goodie for the hot weather. Next up, I have a apricot, jasmine, kind of latonic, yellow floral type of fragrance. This is not new. This is on my tray. I love this down. So many compliments, and throughout the weather, spring, summer, and hot, it just lasts, but the milkiness doesn't go sour. It just sits just right. And this is Bora Bora from Giatini from Descana. This fragrance is so good, and it's like a fresh out of the shower type of milky yellow floral scent, and it has fruit in it, which is the apricot. It's just so good. I don't know if you all have this. Now, this is not for everyone because of that latonic note. I definitely don't recommend you blind buying it, even though I did. But it's just such a fluffy, beautiful, kind of silky fragrance, in my opinion. It is like a pillow, like you're laying on a pillow, and just apricots and some like floral jasmine latonicness. I don't even know. And it has coconut in it as well. So it's just amazing. This fragrance is so good. I love it down. I love the way that this sits on my body. I get tons of compliments on this. And even when it gets sticky hot, she is still a goer, and I enjoy this fragrance so much. So I would highly recommend, if you have Bora Bora in the hot season, now season, whatever season, honey, pull it out, because she just does a body good, okay? It's one of those latonic fragrances. Next up, I have a citrus fragrance that I love, I dream about, I love in the hot weather, any season, really. This has ylang ylang, we have jasmine. It is amazing, okay? And this is Patant from Louis Vuitton. This is so good. Such a beautiful, one of the most beautiful citrus fragrance, again, in my collection. It is so good. I enjoy this so much, right? When I was in store and I was trying out different fragrances, this is what stood out to me, right? And the hot, hot heat and all that layer and sticky and sweaty. I don't sweat that much, but either way, this stuck out so much to me, and it's so beautiful. So if you are a little hesitant, I will say, on citrus, but you like a good citrus that has a sweetness in it, I would recommend this. And sis, it has what? Yeah, pear.
Shout out to all the pear.
Pear makes everything better. Of course it has pear. That's why I enjoy it so much. It is so good. Highly would recommend in this hot season, or as we are getting hot, because the bees are coming out. The bees are here. They might not be there, but they are definitely here in Tennessee. But this is so good. Highly would recommend you get your nose or your hands on this beautiful hot weather fragrance. Next up, I love a good Your Skin But Better kind of amber musk woody fragrance. And I am talking about, none other than Juliet Has a Gun Superdose. This is amazing, beautiful. I've talked about this down. If you're into musk fragrances, if you're into fragrances that almost has a molecule type of note, Your Skin But Better, but just develops on your skin so well, this is one to get. Superdose is amazing for my musk lovers, for my woody lovers. You know, when it's hot and sweaty and sticky outside, this, no matter if you've been working out, you've been on the beach, right? Or you've been chilling with your girlfriends, brunch, dinner, whatever the setting is, this is a goer. When you don't know what to wear, right? This is a go-to, easy go-to, no-brainer. I pick this up all the time. This is so good for your hot season, and I would highly recommend you get your nose on this musk woody beauty, okay? Next up, it's not a perfume, but it's a hair mist, but there is a perfume to this, but I love the hair mist, and I messed up the bottle, so don't worry about that. It's busted, disgusted, but you can tell I used it. This is Kayali's Deja Vu. I've talked about this before, Deja Vu's White Flower. This hair mist is so good. This will be coming on my trips, my travels, my vacation. This gets me in the mood. Sometimes you don't need more fragrances. You can just have this in your hot season and you're good to go. I love this down. I use this on my skin just a little bit. I mean, I just douse myself. So when I'm dousing my hair, if my hair's on my skin, it is what it is. But this is a great hair mist if you're looking for something that's just going to bring out a white floral, tropical, just beauty. This is one to get from Kayali. I would highly recommend. This is Chef's Kiss. Definitely to go on your vacation, your next vacation, or your upcoming vacation. And last but certainly not least, I'm not going to let you all live this down because you all got me onto this Mooler fragrance from what? Angel Nova. Yes, Baby Delina is a must for the hot season. I love this down. So if you don't have Parfums de Marly yet and you're looking for something that's kind of a close fit to it, but is still juicy and good and has its own identity as well, this is one to get for the hot season. I love this. As you can tell, yeah, I am going to need a bigger bottle no matter what. I need to start hunting it down. I love this fragrance so much. You have your fruity, lychee, raspberry is also in this. It's so good, and rose, if I didn't say that. It is such a great fragrance to get, especially for this season. And if you're not into rose, I would definitely try this out because that fruitiness in it, the juiciness in it might change your mind for a good rose fragrance, okay? And that is Mooler Angel Nova. Well, that's all, family, for my recommendations for hot weather no-brainers, okay? These are no-brainer fragrances that I reach for all the time during this hot season. And let me know down below, what are some of your favorite picks for the hot season, okay? For the fragrances of the world, okay? What are you putting or reaching for that type of weather? I would love to know. You know I'm, nosy. Well, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. Yeah. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.